This is the tutorial on how to start promoting yourself in Oxinity. The first thing you have to do, you have to go to im.oxinity.com address. Sign in to your account, and if you do not have an account, you have to create it previously. Once you log in here, you'll find all the promotional campaigns in the promo button that is available here in the top right corner. In the promo button, there are different campaigns that you may use in order to start promoting yourself, in order to start promoting the open web classes. We would start with the discount campaign that you may find here, which is the link with 10% discount on open web classes and 7.5% discount on private web classes. Just to bear in mind that when it comes to open web classes, they give us much higher margin than private web classes. That's why we should encourage people to enroll on group classes, and we are able actually to offer the 10% discount. In order to send this message to someone, you can type an email of the person that you want to send it to here, clicking on this icon of a mail. You can send it via WhatsApp, clicking on this WhatsApp icon, on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media. If you wanted to do it on Facebook, just simply need to click on Facebook icon and you would go to the Facebook page. And as you may see at the moment, we are generating a message in Spanish saying that you are actually giving 10% discount over the classes thanks to your name and surname, right? And you can add a comment here, for example, if you wanted to add some different message. You can choose whether you want to post this promo on your page or on your personal profile. Do not forget to add the hashtags so that other Oxinity members know that you are sharing the post and can help you with the rest, which are Oxinity and I am Oxinity, which are our official hashtags. Alright. The next two campaigns that you may see here are the video campaigns. They are not aggressive campaigns, they are just giving a visitor a possibility to get to know what Oxinity is, and you can tell the world that you exist. Also, through these videos, it's very important to mention that you are always attaching your IDC code. Whether it's a video campaign, whether it's a discount campaign, whether it's a simple email, you need to make sure that you attach your IDC code, which is IDC =, number, and a little f here with equal sign. This number is only yours, and you generate this number once you create an account on Oxinity. On the other hand, the little f here means the from page. So if you are using this link for different campaigns, as for example Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp, it would be great if you indicated the campaign here. For example, Facebook, 7th of October, 2020, 2021, whatever. Then you copy this link, and now you have the campaign with the identification of yours. This way you can ensure the ownership of the clients plus the from page. So this way you can track your campaigns later on. And if you check this campaign, you will see that it's an Oxinity video campaign that was created by Initiative by teachers and represents different teachers saying that they are part of the community. As you can see, when it comes to this page, because you share this video on your social media, for example, through WhatsApp contacts, after watching this video, the user may click on other tabs on this page, as for example, trial, online, and so on. Ensure the ownership of this potential client since you introduced the IDC code in this link. Okay, the client would fill in the form and would click on accept and send. So at this moment, when you send the message as a user, you go directly to the Salesforce and you're contacted by salespeople who talk to the person on your behalf. All right. The next campaign is very similar, but now we talk about the general commercial video, which is also very representative in your first campaigns. Don't forget to include the from page as usual. And then the same thing would happen when the visitor joins this page, and after watching this video as a potential visitor, I would and after clicking on kids, I would probably go to the page where free trial and again go directly to your Salesforce. Everything that you share, every campaign that you share, make sure that you do it with your IDC code, because this way you make sure that it's simple and you ensure the client, the potential prospect. All right. English for adults, English for children. There are two campaigns here that are very similar to each other. The only difference that in the first case we target adults, so you can paste this message in, for example, your Facebook groups for adults, or you can share it with your contacts, and kids learners or young learners. Here we also have the very similar campaign, but now with a different landing page. Now let me check what can I find on this landing page. As you can see, we are going directly to the page where we offer a free trial. So this is a landing page, meaning that on this page we can collect the contact details of interested people. As you can see, there is trial button, chat support here, so the user, the visitor of this website, of this landing page, can easily get in touch with anyone and can also request a free trial. Okay. And if you wanted to translate this page into English, because you want to promote this in a different country, then you just need to simply copy the IDC code and the from sign, delete the link itself, and change the oxinity.com/es to oxinity.com/en, meaning English. This way you translate the whole page into English automatically, and apart from that, now you are able to add your page and add the code. This way again, ensuring the efficiency of all of your campaigns. We just simply add the IDC to the URL and the from page being Facebook 2021. Right, so these are the campaigns in English and in Spanish. You can find the campaign for adults, which you can find here, and for children, depending on the target you want to use. The next two campaigns are slightly different. So we talk about more long-term campaigns, but we talk about big player, and we're going to show you how to actually attract companies, how to attract potential students from a school or just the whole company. When it comes to companies, we can do different type of campaigns. So on one hand, we can start with our contacts, being our contacts the easiest way to get a potential client, or at least potential interview with the company, and we can send this message to our contacts or asking them to send you the human resources contact details from the company they work in. Most of the adults, they have they are working in a company and they can provide you with these contact details. On the other hand, you can use LinkedIn as a channel to approach companies using this message, for example, to send into potential prospects that you may add potentially from human resources. And last but not least, you can also use email marketing for that, and you can send this email with this landing page to company name, email address. Let's go one by one. On one hand, we're going to start with email campaigns. In order to do so, you can simply research company address in your city or in the city you want to research them, as for example, logistics companies in Barcelona. And you can basically go to their website and then you can go to their contact details. Okay, we'll look for Spanish office. Here we go. And we copy this email. Now that we have this mail and we have this proposal that is already in Spanish for you, you can simply go to your Oxinity email, the one that you were provided together with your Teams account, and you can send this proposal to the company. Make sure that you attach this link with the front page and the landing page to PDF document Oxinity for companies, the proposal that we can make as a difference. It's good to know that in Oxinity we manage the courses by Fundayo, the Spanish organization, which basically sponsors the training in companies, and that's a good option, a good hook to attract a company, since we do not make them pay directly for their courses, since we are managing this subsidy. This is a PDF that is sent to the company together with your message. As you can see, you can really compete with attractive prices, with a smart system, and with the intuitive application that is behind that. All right. Now that you have the company email, you can now send this proposal together with the document that you can download here. On the other hand, you can send this message on LinkedIn, or you can send this message through your contacts, even to your WhatsApp contacts or someone that you know. All right. And second long-term campaign, I would say, is called schools or extracurricular classes campaigns. In this case, we are targeting schools and AMPA, which is the Spanish organization of parents, which basically ad hoc to each school. In this case, we offer a specific PDF again with the proposal, with the link, with your IDC code, and we offer the open web classes with the discount to this type of institution. As extracurricular classes, they can be very successful, and apart from that, your margin here, remember, is remaining really high. One potential prospect, private contact, is the same effort as, for example, 10 prospects from a company. So maybe it's a long-term goal, but this goal is going to benefit you more. And as you can see, this is the PDF that we can send to the schools and to AMPAs, or in different to different organizations, or even to parents group if you like. And also you can see we're offering the additional discounts. There is also a video tutorial on how the app works. And don't forget to have the front page in order to be able to track your results. And apart from that, you can just go ahead with these campaigns. All right, and that's basically all you can find in your promo button. Remember that apart from that, you can always get seasonal campaigns, as for example intensive courses and other courses normally in our webinars that you're informed about that.